This is Vicky here. Today we are going to see how to checkmate in 7 moves with Blackburn Shilling Trap. What is the Blackburn Shilling Trap? In this video I will show you so don't skip this video. Okay, now let's start. E4, E5, then knight to F3, then knight to C6, then bishop will come C4, then knight to D4, then take this pawn E5. That's a blunder. You can going for queen G5. You will take F7, then I will take G2, then he takes my rook, I will take that rook
check,
also, then bishop will come here, then I will take E4
check,
pawn, then he will going E2, then I will going for knight x C2 pawn,
check,
he takes, I takes. So he did not take. King will going for F1, then queen H1,
check,
that's a checkmate. He did not take my rook. He will going for rook F1, that's also a blunder. Queen X E4,
check,
then bishop will come E2, then knight is going F3,
check.
that's a beautiful checkmate. That's a 7 moves checkmate. Into this position, you will take with the bishop. I
Check.
will going for e7. What is the correct move for white? You can pause the video and thinking. Castle castling is the correct move for white. He will capture this g8 knight. Don't capture this bishop. You will going for g2. Then again rook will come F1, then you can take E4,
Check.
then queen will come E2, then takes,
Check.
that's also a checkmate. This position, bishop will come to C4, then take this
Check.
rook, then bishop going F1, then take this pawn
Check.
E4, then bishop going E2, then take this
Check.
E6 pawn, then king going F1, then queen going
Check.
H1. That's also as a mate. Knight will come on to F3. Then you don't take this knight. You can going for a take G2 pawn, giving double attack. He takes your knight. You can take this,
Check.
and king will come E2. Then take this pawn,
Check.
and king will going F1 and take this knight, and you have one knight extra, so you can possible to win this game. He did not take my knight. He will going for rook F1. I will take F1,
Check.
sorry, F3 knight, then king's going E2, then we can going for knight x H2, then rook's going G1, then queen takes E4, that's a
Check.
checkmate. Also possible to move your H1, rook to H1, rook to H1. You can also possible to take E4.
Check.
That's also as a mate. He will give support this pawn, knight turn to C3 or bishop to D5. I think what is the correct move for black? Sorry, white. White's turn to play. What is the correct move for white? He will going for D5, bishop to D5. He will give push C6. He will going here, then takes this.
Check.
That's a checkmate. So correct move is knight to C3, Then take with the knight the rook, queen takes,
check,
then king takes, then take the bishop. You have three minor pieces and white have two minor pieces. You have two rooks, white have only one rook. So you can possible to win this game. He did not take. We're going for rook to f1. Takes.
check,
Bishop going. Then
check,
this is a black band shilling trap. This is a 7 moves checkmate. Okay, now in this video is end now. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, like and share with your friends. Okay, now bye. Thank you, friends.